Hi there! So glad you are watching again. In this mini vlog, 6 minus 6, which equals 0, times 6 minus 6 equals 0. Now we have this problem, 0 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, we must do the multiplication and division, then do adding and subtraction. So first we do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this multiplication, 6 times 6 equals 36. So we have 6 minus 36 minus 6, and we have two subtractions. According to the order of operations, we do this subtraction, then this subtraction. So 6 minus 36, which equals minus 30. So we have minus 30 minus 6, which equals minus 36. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more content.